Let me show you how to make the most decadent chocolate whipped frosting. A lot of people have been asking me about this recipe, so let's get right into it. We're going to need heavy whipping cream, chocolate pudding mix, and baking chocolate bars. The full recipe is in the description. Before starting, let's chill the bowl and whisk we'll be using to whip the cream. To make this frosting, we're going to be using semi-sweet chocolate and bittersweet chocolate bars. I like to use these Ghirardelli bars because they are very easy to snap apart. After snapping the individual squares, I continue to break the chocolate into 4 more pieces to get this. Next, I place them into a stainless steel bowl and prepare to melt them using the double boiler method. Here, I place water in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Next, I place my bowl of chocolate over the boiling water and stir it constantly with a silicone spatula. I do this until all of the chocolate pieces are melted, which takes less than 5 minutes. The chocolate should look like this when complete. It's quite warm at this point. I use a laser thermometer to find the temperature of the chocolate. This thermometer is pretty easy to use and switches back and forth between Fahrenheit and Celsius with the push of a button. Right now, it is about 116 degrees Fahrenheit, so we'll allow it to cool a bit. While that's happening, let's measure out 2 cups of whipping cream and pour it into the chilled stainless steel mixing bowl. Next, let's add 2 tablespoons of chocolate pudding mix. Again, the full recipe is in the video description. Before whipping everything together, let's check the temperature on our chocolate. The chocolate has cooled to about 91 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll want the chocolate to be a little cooler than this before we add it into the bowl. So we'll continue to let it cool. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to check out my channel where I share more recipes and cake decorating tips and tutorials. Let's start whipping. Add the bowl of cream and pudding mix to a stand mixer. Add the whisk attachment and whip on medium speed for a couple of minutes. To avoid over whipping, always keep an eye on the cream as it starts to thicken. Once peaks start to form in the cream, we can add all of our melted chocolate. The chocolate was about 80 degrees Fahrenheit at this point. Continue to whip the frosting on medium speed for about another minute. Don't forget to stop and scrape down the side of your bowl. After the frosting is whipped, it will look like this. It will be thick, but it's ready to use. I filled a piping bag fitted with a 1M tip and I start to pipe swirls onto some cupcakes. This chocolate frosting pipes very well. The heat from your hands onto the bag will slightly soften the icing and create a very smooth result. This chocolate whipped frosting is so delicious, but if you're looking for a whipped recipe that's vanilla only, check out the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and cake decorating tips and tutorials. A special shout out to all of my channel members, and to you, thanks for watching.